Microsoft Excel is a registered trademark of Microsoft Office products, and I am in no way, shape, or form affiliated with Microsoft Office or Microsoft. Next up, we want to work on pivot tables. Basically, what you want to do is go to Data, select Pivot Table and Pivot Chart Report. It'll pop up a wizard. It'll say, where's the data that you want to analyze? And you say, from the Excel list or database. And what kind of report do you want to create? Do you want to create a pivot table or you want to create a chart report? In this instance, we want to create a pivot table. So you go ahead and click Next. And now you got to figure out, well, what data do I want to use? And then you would select your data range. And then you can either put it on a new worksheet or put it on the existing worksheet. So we'll go ahead and put it on the existing worksheet. And we're going to select a range of cells to put it in. And click Finish. Now, what you want to do is select on each one, and we're going to add to it. And in the row area, we selected quantity and put in quantity. And then we're going to add another row or column of received, and then another column for percentage. Okay? Or you can change it around to be the column area. You can add it column-wise. As you can see, your table can get very large and elaborate very quickly. For each individual tab, you can actually either show all or you can only show a part of them. And you can do that by selecting them or deselecting them at your however you want to do it. Notice how it always changes also. If you want to add rows instead of columns, again, you'd have to go back and add them. And it would be set up in rows. And you can show all. Or again, you can just show partial. Really how you want to format the sheet is up to you, and what data you want to use is up to you.